Please enjoy the visual tour of this wonderful property. If you have questions or would like to schedule your personal viewing of this property, please call Story Real Estate at 254-562-6617 extension 3222. Home with 2-to-1 car detached carports situated on a heavily wooded tract of land with lots of wildlife passing through and a tank stocked with catfish, bass and crappie per cellar. Great location for the recreational enthusiast wanting to retreat from the city. The residence is in need of repair and some repair has been done by sellers. There are 2 sheds, 1 chicken house, and a workshop with electric and septic per cellar. It would be a great fixer-upper and weekend getaway from the city to the country. Bystone water supply and Navasota Valley Electric. A wood-burning stove serves as the heat,